motion and projectile motion. First, we discuss the horizontal velocity component. Horizontal velocity component never changes. Cover equal displacement in equal time period. Here we show with the diagram that the horizontal velocity component at it is are equal in all motion. Initial horizontal velocity equal to the final initial velocity. This red line shows the horizontal velocity that is constant throughout the motion. This means the initial horizontal velocity equal to the final horizontal velocity. Gravity does not work horizontally to increase or decrease the velocity. Now we discuss the vertical velocity component, that is the change due to gravity does not cover equal displacement in equal time period. Both the magnitude and direction changes as the projectile moves up. The magnitude decrease and its direction upward. As it moves down, the magnitude increase and its direction is downward.